Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that 4th generation GMC Yukon and Chevy Tahoe are prone to experience. Number 1. The brake light in the LED tail lamps is prone to malfunction or to stop working completely. These tail lamps are very expensive to replace as they don't have individual bulbs like the old ones used to have. You can cut 2 small sections on the areas shown on the screen to repair the cracked circuit board if you don't want to buy new ones. This is what the cracked circuit board looks like up close. You can solder a small piece of wire over it to repair it, and proceed to seal the plastic housing when you're done. Number 2. 2015 models have been recalled due to a defective electric power steering assist motor that can fail suddenly, causing the SUV to lose power steering, and as a result, the steering wheel becomes hard to turn. The repair involves replacing the defective motor with a new one. Number 3. The AC condenser in 2015 to 2017 models tends to crack near the mounting brackets, causing the AC system to lose all its refrigerant, resulting in hot air coming from the vents when the AC is on. Number 4. 8-speed automatic transmissions are prone to develop rough shifting conditions, especially between first and second gear. Flushing the old transmission fluid and replacing it with Mobil 1 synthetic fluid sometimes solves the issue. But if the wait is too long to do this complete transmission flush, the torque converter is prone to get glazed up and needs to be replaced. There are instances where even after replacing the torque converter and doing a complete flush and upgrade to Mobil 1 synthetic fluid, the transmission still experiences harsh shifting conditions. Disabling the active field management with a trifecta tuner or a similar device tends to solve the problem while adding some other benefits. Number 5. The fuel injectors in 2015 to 2017 models are prone to malfunction, causing engine vibration, cylinder misfire conditions, and hesitation under acceleration. Number 6. The transmission temperature sensor wiring harness that connects to the valve body in 2015 models is defective and causes an incorrect transmission fluid temperature reading from cold to warm up. This defective harness can also cause harsh shifting conditions before the transmission fully warms up. Number 7. The front magnetic ride control shocks tend to develop leaks. Number 8. The exterior window trim pieces tend to detach and fall off. Number 9. 2015 to 2018 models have been recalled because the vacuum pump output decreases over time, affecting the efficiency of the power braking system. To counteract this problem, the recall entails having a GM dealership recalibrate the electronic brake control module so it can utilize hydraulic brake boost assist when the vacuum assist is either low or depleted. Number 10. The ribbon cable in the overhead entertainment screens tends to get damaged after flipping the screens down and back to their closed positions many times during normal use. When this cable gets damaged, it causes the screens not to work. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 4th generation GMC Yukon and Chevy Tahoe SUVs are prone to experience. Take care.